Hi guys, welcome to Food Fantasy World. Today we are making turkey berry curry. Oil 2 tablespoons. Mustard seeds 1 tablespoon. Curry leaves handful of curry leaves. Chopped onion 1 cup. Saute for 2 minutes on medium heat. Turkey berry 200 grams. Saute for 2 minutes on medium heat. Roughly chopped tomato half cup. Red chilli 1 tablespoon. Turmeric half tablespoon. Coriander powder 1 tablespoon. Tomato paste 1 tablespoon, optional. Mix everything, saute on medium heat for 5 minutes. Tamarind water 1 cup. Water 1 cup. Close the lid, cook on medium heat for 5 minutes. Now add coconut milk 4 tablespoon. Cook on low heat for 2 minutes. Enjoy with rice. If you guys like my videos, please like, share and subscribe. Press bell icon. Whenever I upload new video, get notified. Thanks for watching. See ya. Bye.